Why do we recommend cleaning the photobioreactor every few months, even if the algae is still healthy? So often the algae will develop a natural biofilm on the surface of the tank. This attenuates the light. So over time, the algae may still be healthy, but the density that we can maintain in the bioreactor is reduced because of the attenuation of light. At some point, it's going to be more worthwhile to reset the bioreactor and take that time to clean the bioreactor, remove the biofilm, sterilize the filters and restart with a new inoculum once that production kind of drops below the level that you'd like. So usually that lasts, 2 to 4 months on average before people restart their cultures. But we've had some customers run their cultures of Pavlova and actually Haematococcus for up to 11 and a half months. It really is a personal decision of whether or not it's worth your time to take down the culture or whether or not it's still giving you enough production as it is with some biofilm.